To clean or replace the air filter on your Ranger 1000, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Tilt the rear cargo box to access the airbox. Wipe the area around the airbox. Release the two airbox cover latches and pull outward on the two tabs to remove the cover. Inspect the airbox cover seal and replace if necessary. Twist and pull the air filter to remove it from the airbox. Inspect the filter and replace if necessary. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Caution: if the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Wipe the airbox thoroughly. Caution: dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake tube before installing the filter. Reinstall the filter, making sure it is fully seated. Caution: use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Reinstall the airbox cover, ensuring the alignment mark is facing upward and the two tabs are aligned and secured. Then, latch the airbox cover latches. Lower the cargo bed. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.